Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back. With the regular puzzles. In today's newspaper on Thursday, August the 8th, 2024, 8/8. Yes. And I've already solved two regular puzzles, the 3-star and the 4-star Sudoku, so one puzzle is left, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In our daily newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve, not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with this last regular puzzle, the JigSaw Sudoku. And what's the news of the day? Well, I've just heard Holland has won the gold medal for hockey. Men, yeah. Holland against Germany. And Holland has won. Alright, this one will be number 9052. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 16 printed digits. Usually the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10. This one has 16. Well, I think should be a 0 stars or 1 star puzzle. 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars for 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is it a 3 stars or 1 star or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Single box, yeah. Well, we have a single box here, single box there, always a 1. More, here another 1. Alright, next question, do we have here dual boxes? Let me check for dual boxes here. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes then? No. Well, we have here a triple box. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be right there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. We have a 4 in the same area, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. More triple boxes here? No. How about quadra boxes then? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another 1. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Here, another 1. This box has the same number as that box. And here, another 1. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. And it's connected with that box. Should be so 1. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape, how about that? This shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. This case is a 4 here. Yeah, another 1, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another 1. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw this L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. And here another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Same number. Also 3. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. Alright. Well. Let me see, which number can I pick? These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. Then. Let me see. Let me see. How about? Well, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes surround a 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. This box can be 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. Now. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be so 4. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I think this box should be 2 because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. Well, I think this box should be 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be and a 5 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be so 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be and a 2 goes there. Then let me see. Well, this box can be 2. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. This box can be 4. That box can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Okay. Then, let me see. Come on, come on, come on. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Well, well, this box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I'm stuck here. 2, 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4. And 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. Okay, alright. Come on. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 2 and more. We have a double 2 there. If you place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. That means we have a double 2 here. That means that this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left of the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes, and then this box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 4. So the 4 goes there, so 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Alright. 2 and 4, 1 box left in this area for number 5. These 2 boxes surrounding 5 can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. Oh, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, so we also 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Well, we have a double 2 there, so that means that this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you. Should be a 0 stars. Faster than 14, 30 minutes. I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. I will see you in the evening with other 4 puzzles in the additional. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye-bye for now.